Hi again, this is Vinita, and I want to share with you today how to reconcile. The two steps before reconciliation is definitely bank feed and then checking the P&L that the report is showing correct. But before you share that P&L or your profit and loss statement with your clients, we have to make sure the bank reconciliation is done. For all the business owners, I want you to not use your tax for your tax just the reports directly, but please go ahead and reconcile your bank accounts. You come here on the transactions and toggle down here reconcile. What does reconcile mean in simple language? Is we are taking the bank statement, putting the amount here and putting the date. So I'm taking the last month's date and see what happens when I start reconciling. QuickBooks has the system inbuilt there, whereas in any other softwares we have to go back and do it manually. And I can say yes, select all. So when we selected all, we do see a difference here. Our problem now, the next steps will be to find out how many payments were there and how many deposits going through the each statement. And if something is not yet deposited or outstanding and not having these green box means we have manually done it, we can start removing these. So that's the best way. You will see how the amount is now changing and we will get to the results. If the work is not complete, we just click save to the later and then we can come back and see what we have missed. Thank you and we will catch back again.